Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can turn off trending searches on Skype. So let's get started. Firstly, open Skype app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next tap on settings. Then tap on general. After that, you can see the option of trending searches. Turn off it by tapping on it. So, this is how you can turn off trending searches on Skype. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.